Have you ever seen a zombie ant? What if I told you it's not a movie, it's real? Deep in the rainforest, a fungus is turning ants into zombies. Deep in the rainforest, a carpenter ant is going about its daily routine, foraging for food, following the scent trails of its colony. It has no idea that it's already being watched. A tiny spore drifts through the air, unseen, silent, and deadly. It lands on the ant's body, and within seconds, it begins to burrow into its exoskeleton. This is the cordyceps fungus, a parasitic fungus that infects insects and takes control of their bodies. It's one of the most terrifying organisms on Earth. Cordyceps grows in tropical rainforests around the world, particularly in Southeast Asia, South America, and parts of Africa. The name cordyceps comes from the Latin words for, club, and head, a reference to the fungus's distinctive shape when it grows out of its host. The fungus releases a cocktail of chemicals that hijack the ant's nervous system. It doesn't kill the ant, at least, not right away. It takes control. The fungus effectively becomes the ant's brain. It tells the ant where to go, what to do, and when to stop. The ant is a puppet. Scientists have studied the cordyceps fungus extensively, and they still don't fully understand how it controls its host. The chemicals it produces are incredibly complex. The final stage of the process is the death grip. The ant bites into a leaf or twig with its mandibles, locking itself in place forever. Under the control of the fungus, the ant begins to climb, up a plant stem, higher and higher, until it reaches the perfect spot. The fungus drives the ant to climb to a very specific height, usually around 25 centimeters above the ground. Why? Because that's the perfect height for spore dispersal. The fungus also directs the ant to face a specific direction, north. This ensures that the spores will be carried by the wind to the maximum number of new hosts. Finally, the ant bites into the leaf with its mandibles, the death grip. It will never let go. The ant dies. Its body becomes a platform for the fungus, a tomb for the ant, a nursery for the fungus. Over the next few days, the fungus grows out of the ant's head, a long, club-shaped stalk that will eventually release spores. The fruiting body is the part of the fungus that releases spores. It's beautiful, and terrifying. When the fruiting body is ready, it releases millions of spores into the air, each one capable of infecting a new ant. The spores drift through the air, searching for new hosts. The cycle continues, and it never ends. The spores are released into the air, and the cycle begins again. One ant becomes a zombie, and then another, and then another. The ant's colony is decimated, the fungus spreads quickly, turning one ant after another into a zombie. The colony falls apart, the ants no longer work together, they are simply puppets of the fungus. Some ants survive, but they are the lucky ones. They will carry on, but the colony will never be the same. Can cordyceps infect humans? The short answer is no, human body temperature is too high for the fungus to survive. But the idea of a zombie fungus has captured the imagination of the world, thanks to movies, video games, and our fascination with the dark side of nature. The cordyceps fungus deserves respect, not fear. It's a survivor, just like every other creature on this planet. The cordyceps fungus is a reminder that nature is full of wonders, and horrors. It's a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. The next time you're in the rainforest, remember, the fungus that turns ants into zombies is real. And it's still out there. Subscribe to Under the Leaves for more nature's darkest secrets. What creature should we uncover next? Let us know in the comments.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.